Big news has just dropped, and it has sent shockwaves across South Africa and beyond. Jacob Zuma's long-running dream of having his massive R28.9-Million legal bill paid by the state has officially gone up in smoke. After years of court battles, delays, arguments, and public debate, the Supreme Court has taken what many are calling the final and decisive step, and the outcome is not in Zuma's favor. For a long time, Zuma fought hard to convince the courts that the state should carry the burden of his legal costs. These were not small figures. We are talking about nearly R30 million, money that could build schools, fix roads, or improve hospitals. Supporters believed he deserved the support, arguing that the cases were linked to his time in office. Critics, however, saw it very differently. They said taxpayers should not be forced to pay for personal legal troubles, especially when the country is already under financial pressure. Now, with the Supreme Court's final decision, Zuma's hopes of a dramatic legal comeback have taken a serious hit. The ruling has made it clear that this chapter is closing, and the message is loud and clear. The law applies to everyone, no matter how powerful or popular you are. This decision has been described by many legal experts as a major moment for accountability and the rule of law in South Africa. What makes this story even more gripping is how long it has dragged on. For years, this legal bill has followed Zuma like a shadow. Every court appearance brought fresh debate, new arguments, and renewed tension. Many people believed that Zuma would somehow pull off another surprise win. Others felt the courts were simply delaying the inevitable. Now, the waiting is over, and the outcome has left many stunned. Across social media, South Africans are reacting strongly. Some are celebrating, saying justice has finally spoken. Others are disappointed, feeling their leader has been treated unfairly. But one thing is certain. This decision changes the game. Zuma's legal strategy around the R28.9-Million bill has hit a brick wall, and there is no easy way forward from here. This ruling also sends a powerful signal to future leaders. It tells those in power that public money is not a personal safety net. It reminds everyone that leadership comes with responsibility, and when legal troubles arise, the consequences cannot simply be passed on to ordinary citizens who are already struggling to survive. If you're finding this breakdown helpful and you want more clear, simple, and powerful stories like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button right now. Don't just watch and go. Subscribe, turn on notifications, and join this growing community where we break down big political stories in a way anyone can understand. As this story continues to unfold, one question remains on everyone's mind. What does this mean for Zuma's political future? Does this decision weaken his influence, or will he find another way to fight back? Whatever happens next, you can be sure it will shape South African politics in a big way. Stay with us for the latest updates, sharp analysis, and stories that matter. Subscribe to the channel, share this video with your friends, and drop your thoughts in the comments. This is one story you don't want to ignore, because the impact of this Supreme Court decision will be felt for a long time to come.